in this third part, in the last exercise, you created a navigation bar. Now we need to make the navigation active so that as you click on something, it does something. But before we do that, we need to create what we call a template. That is, every page that you're going to create on your website has the same template. So looking at what we had before, so we've got this up, we've got our home page there, and we're now going to create what we call a template. So we're going to take that home page and we're going to file and we're going to save it as a template. Okay, so we're going to call it, before we save the template, we're going to create a directory called template. So we go save as, create a directory called template, templates, press return, and then double click on that, and I'm going to create our master template. I'm going to call it master. Okay, and we need to make sure that it is a template. So we click on the save as in template. This is now our master template. You notice now, update links, yes. Now it hasn't updated there as you can see, but if we click on my site there and press the F5, which means update, and you can see there now that I have a master template. What does this mean? Well, this is the template that all the pages will be using. Before we can do that, we need to say what part of this template can the user edit. So still with this template, we're going to go insert template objects. I'm going to do this thing called an editable region. Okay, that tells Dreamweaver that this is the bit of the page that the user can change. So we click on editable region. I'm going to call this main area. Okay, and it comes up there, main area. So what that says, that's the bit that the user can change. They can't change this bit, but they can change that bit. And then go File and save it again as the template. Now, we now have our template, but we now need to use our template. So we go to File, New. You now notice we've got the same options as before when we're creating the web page, but we're going to go to Page from Template, and you'll notice that my template now appears. That's the name of my site, and that's the name of my template, and it shows you what the template looks like. So it goes Create, and there we go. Now you'll notice I'm now using the template. I can type here, but I can't edit these options. So I'm going to put in here, this is my home page. So this is going to be the home page. So I'm going to then type that in there and go File, Save As. I'm going to save over my original home page. So click on there, My Site, Save. Would you like to overwrite? Yes, I want to change it, so I overwrite it. Then I'm going to go again and put this is option 1, and I'm going to save this as another page and call it option 1. Okay, notice now if I update this down here, click on there, press F5, I've got option 1. And I'm going to then go in here and go, this is option 2, and go File, Save As, and then call this page option 2. And keep going until I've covered all my options. So this was option 3. File, Save As, option 3. And again, just to click on here, press F5 to update, and there we go, to refresh it. So now we've got my home page, option 1, option 2, and option 3. Now at the moment, none of the pages link together. That's where we need to change the template. And I'll cover that in the next exercise.